Welcome to The Loop, brought to you by the Mammoth Film Festival. We're sitting down with the team from Alone. Can you guys just go down the line and say who you are and what you did with the film?
I'm Marc Menchaca. I was the man in the film, and I think that's actually that's the name.
That's
of
the character name.
Yeah, the man. Yeah.
I'm Jules Willcox, and I'm the woman in the film.
Is that your character's name?
She has a name.
I can't remember because
Jessica Swanson.
Oh yeah, Jessica.
Hi, this is Jessica Swanson. I'm in the back of the
I'm Jonathan Rosenthal. I'm one of the producers.
Thank you guys so much for sitting down with us. Could you tell us just a synopsis of the story?
Yes.
You seem to be the one who knows the character names, so I'm going
do
to
know
you
the
for that
character
one.
names. A woman following a tragic moment in her life flees the city and falls victim to a man that she at first is confused as to whether or not she's paranoid and her mind's playing tricks on her, which is later confirmed when he tries to kill her. And I just gave away the
No
whole
spoilers.
Film. No spoilers. It's
So
in the log line on IMDb, so.
Yeah.
So it's the woman's trying to escape him, so it's a survival
Yeah,
story?
it's like a cat and mouse survival story.
Okay. And you're out in the wilderness, right?
Yes, it's also like woman versus nature and versus man. But nature really, really does a number on Jessica Swanson.
Nice.
Are
Who's
you
she played?
are you a fan of the outdoors? Or
I
was
am.
that okay?
I am, yeah. And I got real comfy out there. I was laying around in the mud, the muck. That's not giving it anything away, but
You can give it all
Yeah.
away.
in the river in November.
Uh-huh.
This guy, though, he was also in the water. That's the kind of producer he is.
Yep, camera operated a 50-pound rig going down the Clackamas River
Yeah.
because our DP wasn't aqua savvy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where were
And-
you when we were in the water?
I was
Mark?
watching
Was
from
he?
the sidelines
I think he was at home.
because
You were there?
I was there. I was there. I was
don't
watching.
remember it.
I watched as everybody got in the water, but I didn't. There was no way. That
In solidarity, you didn't want to get
it wasn't.
in
It wasn't written that way. So
there? Scripts.
So you got out.
I got out.
How did the project come together?
So there is a Swedish film whose title I'm not going to try to pronounce, but it translates to mean Gone, which the director John Himes had been a big fan of the film and had always wanted to adapt it. And we had done a film with him previously that went to South by called All Square. And after doing that, having such a great experience, we were like, what else do you have? And he was like, well, it's kind of weird, but I have this movie that I want to remake. And here we go. Yeah.
Did you guys have to watch the original?
He recommended not.
Oh.
Yeah, because it was so different.
Right.
Did you see it?
I was never offered the opportunity, but I will someday. But I don't know if they have subtitles yet.
Don't watch it.
On the
That's
original.
what it
What does it mean to have Alone premiering and not premiering, but screening at the Mammoth Film Festival?
God, a relief.
was. Yeah.
But this because we finished this a little over 2 years ago, and it's not. I will say it's not often that like you finish a film or something, and you wait 2 years and you're still excited about it. But this one was I don't know, it was special. I loved just the project, these guys that I worked with, and others. But I'm very excited that it's finally getting an audience to see it. At Mammoth Film Festival. Sponsored by
Path Water.
Pathwater. And it's the best water. She told me to say
It was
that.
perfect.
She
It was
didn't
great. That was a
actually.
wonderful line reading. You're going to get your 45 cents. Okay. What do you hope audiences leave the theater with after seeing your film?
I hope they really fall in love with me.
They will. As we all do.
My tactics of finding a woman from the film. No, I may be going off script here. I don't know. Am I?
Is there a script?
There is no script.
Okay.
I'll tell you the thing that I love about this film, only because I watched it because I can't stand to watch things with people for the first time. But it's like very throwback genre thriller, and I hope they get it. Yeah. I don't know if you will, but I hope they get it.
I haven't seen it, so of this crew. So I'm seeing it for the first time tomorrow night with an audience, which will be crazy.
You're going to see it tonight, actually.
Oh God, what day is it today? Yeah, no, I'm seeing it tonight with these guys, and I'm probably gonna be like, you're gonna have like bruises on your arms.
Yeah. Which, by the way, when we shot, the jacket that I wore was from this company called Wild in Portland, Oregon, and
You're like a NASCAR racer.
I actually have a jacket on from that guy. No, it was a great jacket. I just remembered the jacket all of a
Great
sudden.
jacket.
What happened to that jacket?
It's still around.
Okay.
Still around. Wild.
Wild.
Have we done enough commercials?
You're doing a great job. Never stop.
Mammoth
Just
Film
keep on going. You shot in Portland.
We did.
Why Portland?
They have a great incentive. There's a great crew base there from all the shows that sadly are wrapping up, like Grimm and Z Nation, to name a few. And it just had the backdrop that played almost like a third character in the film.
So beautiful.
Yeah. To that extent, there wasn't really a lot of acting involved in being freezing cold or muddy or
Yeah. I was
fearing the
the
elements.
fourth character. Jules was 1 and 2. Nature was 3, and I was 4.
Sounds like a really well-rounded cast.
It was. What do I get? What am I getting from you right now? A little sarcasm?
This
Me?
awkward moment
What?
brought to you by Pathwater.
Are you trying to take me back to my childhood
Best.
when I was beat down?
I don't want that for you. Okay, we're at a movie event. We're at a film festival.
Wait a minute.
I've got some movie questions
Okay.
that I just want to go down the list, rapid fire. Let's see what you guys
Trivia?
have. No,
Oh.
opinion things.
Before you start, I'm just going to say rapid fire is not my style. It might take a minute to get answers out.
We'll get there. We'll get there together.
Okay,
It's okay.
but I'm ready for you, Red.
We're on a journey. What movie makes you cry?
Dead Poet Society.
Truly, madly, deeply.
V for Vendetta.
Moana.
It does. It makes me cry too.
What movie makes you cheer?
Dead
This
Poet
movie.
Society.
Our movie, Alone.
Yes.
You cheer?
Yeah. What was that? No, it wasn't a movie. That was a play. People, Places, and Things. Made me cheer. Yes. I was like,
Yeah.
Yes.
I love that. That was great. Cheering. She was great. Oh, I said the F word. Sorry.
I mean, he said it first, though.
Mammoth TV.
Mammoth TV.
What was the question?
Family Channel.
What movie makes you cheer?
Makes you cheer. What do you got?
Oh, I was just taking her People, Places, and Things because that play was amazing.
It was amazing, and it did. She cheered after she did it. But I will also say, any Hallmark movie,
Yep.
I watch them at Christmas all the time, and
Yep,
you
with
just
my grandma.
cheer for like what
Love.
you know it's gonna end
The
in
Carpenter
just bliss, but you
is
still
going to
cheer when
marry
it happens.
the woman who left her job in the city
Yeah,
to build a house, to remake a house, an Airbnb, and we cheer them.
no, you gotta hold on to that idea.
What is happening right
That was a commercial from Hallmark, an Airbnb.
What's the first movie you saw in theaters?
E.T. Dating myself.
now? Oh my
I
God.
don't remember. I remember my mom saying the F word after we watched. What was that? Matt Damon and
Good Will Hunting.
Wild
Good Will
Things.
Hunting. Yeah, my mom
No.
doesn't cuss, by the way, but she was like, "Great fucking movie, right?" I was like, because they say it all the time in that.
Yeah.
you
They
know?
do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it got to her. That's not the answer to your question, but go ahead.
Good Will Hunting. I'll say that as well.
Okay.
Sure.
The first movie you saw in the theaters.
What? How old are you? When did you start to see movies?
I repress a lot of memories.
Gotcha.
Hey, I think we need to
Moana.
we need to give the table back
Yep.
to the floor, not table, floor.
Couch.
Do you have a favorite movie quote?
Carpe diem.
Wow, we've really gotten through. This must be the 30th anniversary of that film or something.
This is a commercial for Dead Poets
Dead
Society.
Poets Society. A favorite movie quote? I could have been somebody. What was it?
I could have been a
waterfront.
On the
contender.
waterfront, yeah.
I could have been a contender. Yeah, terrible accent. But.
That was pretty good, actually. I liked it.
Do you have a favorite movie quote?
It's such a hard question. I'll deflect to you.
I said carpe diem.
You did
It
say
still
carpe
is.
diem.
Pathwater.
Are you not entertained? Are you not entertained?
We are all entertained.
Are you not?
Thank you guys so much for sitting down for my favorite
cutting us
interview.
She's cutting us
It's
off.
over. And that's Mammoth FF keeping you in the loop. That was the best interview we've given the whole time.